Hey guys, Doug Rucker here with a little two-tip Tuesday for you. Two tips on rust removal. We're removing rust from this PVC vinyl fence, and the way we're doing it is we're protecting the grass with the tie back down along the fence line. We'll just keep moving our tie back. So we're using an F9 bark rust remover, and we're applying it, and you can probably see it kind of disappear before your eyes. And so that's using the bark. And then what we're actually doing, especially since we have a lot of plants and stuff in this grass, especially down along this fence line, we're using the F9 double eagle to neutralize all that acid. And so what we're trying to do is just prevent grass burn, rosebush burn, stuff like that. Any place that acid, the F9 bark, could get onto grass or leaves or whatever. Just an extra precaution. And of course it's sold that way as well. But that's your two tips when you're doing rust removal, especially around delicate plants and grass, nice lush green grass. Use that F9 bark and then follow it with double eagle to neutralize it. Concrete, fences, whatever. All right, hope that helps you guys.